Yesterday, Arsenal-Everton match, lineup I saw no Aubameyang. I thought what happened to him, found out he had a tight calf. So I thought no Aubameyang, so seriously no goals and we are going to lose the team against a dominant Everton side. But yesterday looking into the match, Everton did not dominate us. Even we had chances and we were much improved as compared to the Everton's Arsenal Southampton game. So okay, yesterday looking at the lineup, Aubameyang's replacement was a Willian. I don't know. It was a very shocking decision made by the management. I also was thinking why the fans don't like Willian on the left hand side. I also don't like Willian. So why management is liking Willian on the left side? I also don't know. Why is he there? And what did he do yesterday? Just running from the left towards the right, like Usain Bolt sprinting towards right, and just passing long balls towards Pepe. Repeat, repeat, repeat till the whole game. That's it. That's what he done. And yesterday only one shot he made, that also off target, 30 miles across above the crossbar. He has made the ball disappear outside the stadium only. Like what he is playing, why is he there? Like yesterday Everton strategy was simple. Willian not looking effective, Nketiah never effective, and only Pepe is dangerous. Deal with Pepe. That's it. Game is in our hands. That worked for them. Very good. Credit to Everton's defense. Like seriously, man. Apart from speaking from Willian, I want to speak about Nketiah. Nketiah yesterday he had a glorious chance to score his first goal. Okay, our defender Tierney, he just sprinted from the left wing, skipping past the defense. He just pulled out a delicious cross onto his Nketiah's feet. He Nketiah had all the time in the world, like all other strikers would have just craved for. He had the space, but still he was not able to convert, man. Like it is expected to be in the top right hand corner, but he just didn't finish the job. Like what, man? Like even Balogun could have done better. Like this is a like third class striker quality. I don't know why the management, why Arteta is making him start game after game after game. Like young talent, it seems. Where is that talent? Nothing is. Nothing. He's nothing. Just nothing. Speaking about Everton's first goal yesterday, it was really unlucky. Man marking strategy is really very poor from us. Rob Holding, like he just couldn't deal with Dominic Calvert-Lewin, and his shot he only deflected into his own goal. Like seriously. And speaking about the second goal that we conceded, it was just expected. Like Arsenal cannot deal with the set pieces, man. Like opposition's tall players are being marked by shorter players. It is always risky to see Arsenal defend a set piece. Arsenal just don't know to defend a set piece. Every game against Southampton, against Burnley also, they considered a set piece goal. Hmm? Like what, man? Like they just need to grow up and just learn to defend set pieces, and like set pieces only making the turning the tide of the game against us. And like speaking about Arsenal attack, there is just no attack from us. There is no pace in the attack, just no intent to shoot towards the goal and test the goalkeeper. That's it. Pickford, as I know, he's like sometimes he makes mistakes. So just test the goalkeeper. No, just have that intent to test the goalkeeper. No, but no intent. All shots like wide of the post from Pepe, also one wide of the post, and Willian also like skyrocketing. Only like testing the goalkeeper was in the last moment. I don't know what happens to the teams in the last moment. 95th minute, Saka was just going towards the goal, and Pickford like dealt with it. But that came in the 95th minute. Like seriously, man. No attacking intent. What mentality? I also don't know. And management also Arteta, like he should have subbed off the Willian after the first half only. Like first half performance was so poor that he should have been subbed off and should have brought Martinelli, and he should have played for the rest of the 45 minutes. Like Martinelli had also had one shot that was off target. Willian also had one shot of the target for the entire game. So what's the difference? Just bring Martinelli. He would have created more chances. And speaking like Everton weren't threatening only. They only had one keen shot, like off the just off on the like just close to the crossbar. It just flew off the some distance of the crossbar. And Dominic Calvert-Lewin had a shot well saved by Leno. Apart from that, no threat, much threat from Richarlison, no threat from Sigurdsson. Arsenal could have had some possession, but stats. That's just for the stats. They just had position, but really no attacking intent. Only like what I can say, like Arteta out, like seriously, like he just made wrong decisions. He should have subbed off Willian in the first half only and brought on Martinelli, and should have Lacazette also brought on instead of Nketiah. Nketiah like very poor. Like I don't know why he keeps on starting him in every games. Only man of the match for me yesterday was like Ainsley Maitland-Niles. He only had that attacking intent, and Kieran Tierney also. Like no one else in the team has that passion playing for this club. I don't think so. Just kick these players out, man. They are just killing Arsenal. If this goes on, not even God can save Arsenal. Speaking of yesterday's positives, only one positive, like Arteta must have told the players like whatever might be the result, just don't bring red cards, man. Just don't bring the red cards. That only I think is a positive from the game. Like water quality, disgrace this team, like whole disgrace. I don't think so. Now even people are saying that Arsenal will be relegated, and from they will play next season in the championship. That's it. Like management must should wake up, and like whatever must be done they should do, like sell Xhaka, Bellerin, Holding if possible, and just bring a reliable right back and bring some creativity in midfield, man. Just bring an attacking midfielder. We don't have a good attacking midfielder like other top teams in the Premier League have. Even Wolves have good attacking midfielders. Like Arsenal don't have the quality of midfield like Wolves are having. Like that's the status of this club.